Salitral at Winter Park Historical Museum. Hi amigos, I am at the Winter Park Historical Museum, located at 200 West New England Avenue in Winter Park, Florida. This museum seeks to research and preserve the abundant history of Winter Park and its surrounding area through educational exhibits, lecture series, and outreach programs. It is located in the Winter Park Farmers Market building. It is operated by the Winter Park Historical Association and located in a former railroad freight depot. The museum's collections include medical and military items, vintage postcards and photographs, and items of local businesses and industries. Exhibitions have included local area history subjects such as area railroads, the history and culture of the turpentine industry, Winter Park High School history, and the city's Colony Theater. The museum opened in 1941 and remained a popular Winter Park attraction until 1988, when the collection was donated to the Florida Museum of Natural History. The museum opens from Tuesdays to Fridays from 10 to 4 and Saturdays from 10 to 2. If you are in the area, stop at the Winter Park Historical Museum. It won't take you more than 30 minutes to walk around. It is a cute little place, just one room, and it's free. Well amigos, that's all for today. Bye-bye.